So folks, today I wanted to update you on Bento and where we are with the application. It's really exciting that we're going to be launching our first and ever application to iOS, and we're really excited for what's coming soon. So if you're new to Bento, it's an application we're building to help you do less but more meaningful tasks. You can find the link in the description. That's the best place to find it, is the waitlist. So the waitlist will allow you to get an announcement when we've launched, and as you can imagine, keep updated with everything Bento. So I'll put that link in the description. It's the best place to be when you want stuff fresh off the block, be the first to know. So check out the link in the description. So today I want to explore some of the lessons we learned from the beta, why we built the application, and a little bit more about the method side of stuff too. I'm really excited. We had about 110 testers on our beta over the last 2 to 3 weeks, and it's been truly amazing allowing people access to the application just to be able to explore how it works and a little bit more about the sort of bug side of stuff, which the feedback has been really awesome on. Now, we actually had over 700 beta testers sign up, and it was a real difficulty because we wanted to invite everyone, but at the same time it's only me, Carl and Robin who are working on the project. So capacity wise, we wanted to make sure that we get a good amount of feedback without necessarily overloading ourselves. And we definitely were able to do that. So I wanted to thank everyone who is part of the Bento Beta, all of those who are in the Discord who regularly communicated about feedback and sent us videos, screenshots, and everything you can imagine, which really has helped us to develop the application. In particular, Carl developed the aspects on the small screen sizes, addressed that, and also things like the flow of the concept inside the application, with some really neat changes that actually a lot that we got from the feedback, which has been really fantastic. So there's been folks in the group like Jonathan, J-Rev, Lorenzo, Ali, Stacey, Frau and Justin, who've just been fantastic to helping us and really instrumental in that. So a big thank you to everyone who was part of the Bento Beta. So you're probably wondering a little bit about why we decided to build this application. We actually did it for a variety of reasons, but we wanted people just to do less but more meaningful tasks. One of the biggest problems I've personally seen is overloading. I do it. I know loads of people who do it. It's just something we do because we want to do more in our day. And normally we load our to-do list with 20 tasks, assuming we're going to get them done in a day. Normally we get them done once, that many in a day, 20 maybe. And then after that, it's normally like, okay, the week declines in energy levels and you typically get a lot less done in a day. So we wanted to make Bento into a method that helps you do less but more meaningful tasks. And that's how we've approached it. We want people to be more selective about what tasks they're choosing for their bento every single day, a large, a medium and small one. And the great thing is we've actually built the method out that actually complements that so well and gives some prescriptions, suggested timings, and really tries to make it as consumable as possible for you to get started with the Bento method. So it's really exciting because it's not just an application, it's a methodology. And that's what's nice about it. It's a companion application. We're not asking you to replace your to-do list. We just want it to be a companion to focusing in on those really important tasks, those meaningful tasks that matter across the day. So I'm really excited. In terms of the method, we do have a plan in launching the method separately, because whilst Bento, the application, is going to be the optimum place to do your Bento organizing and use the Bento method, we don't necessarily want to limit you to just that. So in the coming month, after we launch the application, we will be launching more about the methodology in which you can apply to your existing applications, which I'm really excited about because, as you can imagine, reviewing productivity apps on the channel, obviously there's so many I think this works perfectly with in terms of the Bento methodology. So a big thank you to all those who are part of the Bento Beta. Hopefully this update gave you a little bit of an idea of what's coming next. It's super exciting. I think what I I think what's really nice is when we were in the beta, Carl managed to weave in some of those beautiful themes that we've created in light and dark mode, and they are really stunning, and they do make the application stand out in terms of a visual experience. So I think for those who like design, I think you'll find this application really relaxing and just beautiful to look at. So I think it's only going to be one of those applications that grows on you, I think. Before we go, make sure to jump on the wait list, because that's the best place to find Bento and when it comes out. But we're super close, and I'm excited to be sharing this with you all. So feel free to ask any questions if you have any in the comments below. I will be responding, and naturally we can dig a little bit deeper into Bento and what we're planning to do with the application. So big thank you, and I look forward to chatting with you all really soon. And hopefully it's when we come to the big launch, super close. Cheers folks anyway, have a great day, bye.